Hey, welcome back everybody. StarterRainGutterBusiness.com, our YouTube channel. Today we're just going to go over a quick review of downspout and elbow sizes and the different types of elbows and downspouts that we use in standard installations. So let's get to it. So here we have our standard 5-inch rain gutter. We have 3A elbows on this particular install, and so that's similar to this white one. B elbow, if you were going to install this with B elbows, you could run this down this face of the wall. These are 2x3, so you always want that flat 3-inch face of the downspout to be sitting against the wall. So whether it's installed over here, or you don't want the 2-inch side of the elbow to be against the wall. Just makes it a little obnoxious looking. So you can also switch out the bottoms of the downspouts, so we could run an A here or a B here depending on what configuration you have going on and which way you want the water flowing. So in this particular situation, if we wanted to run this downspout down this face of the wall because of maybe something's mounted over here or you have a fence coming off this corner, instead of punching this hole in the gutter here as an A, you can punch it as a B with an X punch in line with this side of the wall. It would come down, come into this elbow here, so you have a B with your crossover in between, and then you come down and typically put an A at the bottom. Okay, so now we'll kind of run through the water flow characteristics of these two different size downspouts and elbows. This varies on climate, so you'll have to kind of check your local climate, but in our climate in Montana, we don't get a ton of rain in the summer, and in the winter it snows, and so snow water melts and slowly goes through the gutter system. So a 2x3 downspout in this climate is good for between 800 and 1,000 square feet of roof area. So that's what we shoot for with the 2x3 downspouts. A 3x4, which these are all measured in inches, so a 3x4 is 3 inches deep and 4 inches wide, is good for about twice that amount. So it has twice the flow. One kind of cool visual feature on these is you can actually send a tennis ball through these and they go right through. So it's kind of one way to sell these to customers. They clog a little less, so we usually shoot for around 2,000 square feet max on a 3x4 downspout. And then our last step up that we use before you kind of get into more boxy commercial gutters is the 4x5 downspout. And these things are just massive. And they're really expensive and harder to get, but we can get them, and they do look a little nicer than an open face box downspout, in my opinion, a little cleaner and finished. These are good for about double this one. So these are good for about 4,000 square feet of roof. So then we also do have two round options. We have the typical 3-inch round, and these are good for about 20% more than a 2x3. So you're good for around 1,200 square feet of roof on a 3-inch round, as long as you have the proper full-size outlet in the gutter. And then there's also the 4-inch round. One nice thing about working with a round downspout is you don't need A's or B's. These are just 70-degree bend elbows. So you can use this as an A, a B, makes it a little simpler for ordering, and so that's one nice thing about them. And then the 4-inch round is good for double the 3-inch round. So as long as you have the right size outlet in there, 2,400 square feet of roof. Thanks for watching again, everybody. Hope you guys learned something new today. Make sure if you have any questions or comments, comment below, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next one.